Welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video.
Yeah, so whether you like Vybz Kartel or not, it's at the Jamaica Young Police, you don't really care. That is your business. You understand? Or if Vybz Kartel is your god, or Vybz Kartel is your G, or you want this or you want that. We're at the Jamaica Young Police, we hate criminals with a passion, and that's our job over here is to make sure that criminals are shunned. They are not lauded, revered, celebrated and put on a pedestal as a good role model. Criminals are people who have antisocial behavior. These are people who are illiterate. These are not people who are decent, ethical and conscientious human beings. These are not people who are supposed to be living amongst decent people. So you're looking at right now, you see the man who put the arrow, we put the yellow sticker right down to his head. That man name is Samo. Yeah man, Samo is one of the men who wants to kill Vybz Kartel. So yeah, charge about this at the man like Blue Hat, yeah man. You soon see a video of him. He's the unelected mayor of Gulf, yeah man, in Burger Park, St. Catherine. You remember the same place where they bomb where they killed Sweeney and Rumput, and that's when we had found out that charge about that Mark Baby Trump Golden was not born in Jamaica. It's because of that incident. Someone from the PNP criminal organization hierarchy called yours truly and shared that information with me, and that's why I shared it with the Jamaican people in the world that this man is not a Jamaican. And it was because of the killing of Sweeney and Rumput and the firebombing of the residents of this community, because it was all about votes. Displaced people as they did in the 70s, and that's how they took over communities and solidified the PNP criminal organization and for them to win elections. We at the Jamaica Young Police, we do not support that. We support ideas. If you are a political party, you are not supposed to be using terrorism to terrorize your opponent. Use ideas and try to convince them. Just like as me, born and raised in a PNP community. Why the PNP cannot convince me that they're not a criminal organization? Because they can't. Because I've born, raised, breathe, sleep amongst these people. And the only thing that these people are good at is producing criminals. They have no ideas how to improve people's lives. As I said to you before, and I'll say it again, it's only two of us in my age group that is still alive. Only one person died from natural gas, and his name is Kellyan. Yes, so those of you who are from Top Jungle know Kellyan Long, Morgan and things, we used to, I used to put to school together as youth and all of these things, and you understand. All the time when I was as a detective, I used to have fun at Gemini Club where, Gemini Alpha Tree, and sometimes we go there and eat lunch, and yours truly and Bobby, and you understand. And Kellyan would be, say, boy, he's really upset with his parents, because if his parents were like my parents, he would be a better person today, but they allow him, and they thought that they allow him to do as he pleases as a youth. That was love, but in the long run, it didn't help him, because look at him now, and look at me. So to see the difference with parenting. So when kids growing up and parents thinking that you're allowing your child to do what they want to do is love, it's not love. You're only destroying them and setting them for fear. So that's what they are saying. So we can tell you that in our community where we're born, all they do is create criminals. That's it, to the departure of, but these people do not know. So you're looking at all of these men now. So all of these men are sworn. These men were friends with Vybz Kartel. Now they are sworn enemies. And And now they have a bet out who will kill him first. Yeah. That's it, you know. Yeah. The man, yes, charged with badness. He's in the United States of America. He came across the border. His wife, Lisa. I was going to tell her something, you know. I tell her, I don't know how people become criminals. Yes. So he came across the border illegally. And he was arrested, you know. His boss, Colors, yes. Charged with badness not having the money. He's just around Colors, yes. That's, you know, a guy from Clarendon. Most people don't even know who is Collar. Yeah, Collar or drug dealer. I won't have, since the year started, about three persons are affiliated with them that they in war died in New Jersey. You understand, man? Carter shot up a 68-year-old man and all kind of things. Although you don't hear a report on it because there's so many other things. And some people will be like, so what happened to the FBI? You don't worry, because the FBI don't work like how, you know, as local police work. So don't worry, some people in Jamaica, they want to charge about this to send back because them say because problem in them life, and worse because of the edict that he had issued evil since the acquittal of Vybz Kartel. Vybz Kartel is interconnected to Gregory Park because that's, although he's from Waterford, he spent most of his time as an artist down there. So he's intertwined with them, and you understand. So the same thing that charged about this have went through, arrested and charged convicted with murder, and was released by PNP Criminal Organization judges, and that's how he ended up in America. Yes, illegally. So, and then he married to a woman named Lisa and all kind of thing, and he has all kind of families and all his children in America illegally. Criminals, you know, they're causing havoc back in Jamaica. So these are the men, some of the men that they want to kill Vybz Kartel. When I ask you, I tell you. You understand? Including a man and a drug dealer who's with Vybz Kartel, a man named Chalice. Yeah, Chalice is the other man. So, Vybz Kartel problem, he came out of prison, acquitted, he's a free man. But guess what? Vybz Kartel cannot go to England because you know that England have abandoned him. Yes, well maybe the only place that he can go is Canada. I don't think Canada would allow it in their country either. Because before Vybz Kartel end up in all kind of legal problem, Vybz Kartel has been personal and non-grata from several countries because of his music. And we haven't seen this man, you know, try to, since he has been out, the first thing that he has done, do a video say, one done. So he's came out of prison and still promoting his criminality. And I don't think that will fly with the white people in person, you understand? So here's the stark reality. So, that's a brother called Charge of Badness, yes. Along with his drug boss, Colors, Samo, and Chalice. He's a part of a sinister group intent on eliminating. Yeah, that means to kill Adija, Vybz Kartel, that's the bullfrog farmer. So they have even went as far as place bets on who will kill him first. That's how, yeah, you understand? Them in America, and man, a bet. Like a game, say, who will kill him. We know that based on information and things that out in the public, Vybz Kartel is responsible for several loss of life. Even friend Jackie and Jomo and hey boy, may I tell him, I don't know how a man become criminal and Roderick and all of these things, but I want to tell you that when I not you want to believe it, all of the people them around Vybz Kartel, they will more believe Vybz Kartel and them say, no, I don't know nothing about it, and lie them I tell, than the intelligence, you understand, that the information that you get from people from the intelligence community. So right there, you're looking at the man now. That's the man charged with badness. Check, he's in East Orange, New Jersey. Yeah. He was arrested in East Orange, New Jersey for illegal possession of firearm. But in America, they always have some form of technicality. And guess who paid the money for him? Colors. But yeah. So he was able to beat that criminal charge. So although he leave Jamaica and he's still in America, a commit crimes. I understand. Some people are saying, so why not inside? Why them not deporting and all of these things? You have to understand that in America you have some state where you call blue state. Blue state has some, blue state in the cities normally have high murder rates. Even in the red state them still, because guess what? In the cities in the states in America, it's mostly black people, black or Spanish people in there. But mostly black people they are violent. I tell you as it is. We black. These are people them love to kill each other. Same way like how Jamaica. Man and man a friend, man have disagreement, and the first thing that come to your mind, you for them. Them don't think about your life, you know. They don't think about their life and them feelings. That's some men babies. Them can't them have limited IQ, so them cannot think. So you're looking at the man, yeah, say man that a check but charge badness. So the vehicle they must show off, and you look on the license plate, and we're not going to tell people one and two little things. Him that I show off and I show people in America, I live up on all of these things. Him still beat Lisa from based on information received and obtained. Him and Lisa not together anymore. As him, the man even, why I tell you, the man trying to kill even Lisa nephew. I tell you, and I don't know how people become criminal because there's so much craziness with this lifestyle. So that's the man right there. That's the main man right now, apart from Kruger Park. That's the man who should eat it and say, look here, you can't play no Vybz Kartel music in a golf or else, and him tell them so they have to celebrate it in their mind. So the people, they might ask Raymond Price to talk to Mark, Baby Chum, Golden, yeah, let them allow them to celebrate Vybz Kartel, you know, acquittal, because Vybz Kartel are for them boy and are for them artists. And him say no. So even someone from over there, he will contact Price and tell him and charge about this, say, oh, Mark Gummy Beer, Mark Baby Chump Gold, you can't tell him nothing. Him say golf a theme place. Capture land, you know, jungle this man come from, you know, him say a theme place. So I saw it going to Jamaica, terrorism at the best. But we just add a little caveat to it. You see, we have been warning the government, you know. You see, the government will be careful. Jamaica become like 80. And also, we do a thing about 80, why 80 with the state. Because I see him gang business, you know. Just like how Michael man, they send them a Cuba and train them and now. The same man them down at Jamaica, although them younger now, them have the guns in their community. And the government allow them to keep them. We don't see no raid, we don't see no operation for recover the gun them. The M16, new M16 or the man, them sent to Jamaica in January, and last year Hurricane, we don't see no big operation. That's the difference with this government and the PMP criminal organization government. If the PMP were in power, trust me, I think they liberate them could have gone and fire them out in a Mar Valley, Rockford, Warwick Hill, and Concrete Jungle where I'm from, and them that send the police and soldier them down there. Yeah, but I saw he liberate them all, they try to play decent and they don't want to use it, a crime you fight and a politics. Yeah, so, as you know, so you just saw the man now, him name charge of badness. Yeah, so him is the man now, you know, who say them bet to the market cartel. So them even bet. You understand? And you know that in family in America illegally. And you know, and they are continuing them criminal activities. So as you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel are committed to exposing the truth, no matter where it leads. So charge of badness, statement about Vybz Kartel, Vybz Kartel's funeral limousine is a chilling message meant to intimidate and forestall violence. His proclamation to the residents of Gulf, a prominent PMP criminal organization settlement led by the unelected mayor, charge of badness. I mean, them call him Check. And if I check, it means check Govaria. Because you know, check Govaria in a PMP cranium. Yeah, he was a warrior and them thing there. A man from Argentina that Fidel Castro met them killed in a South Central America. Yeah, check. You understand? So I don't know if that's where I'm getting name from. So Che is a prominent man in the PMP, in the communist wing of the ideology of Fidel Castro and all these people who believe in a socialism, and if you oppose them, if you're dead, yeah, they don't believe in a dissent, one party thing. You understand? So his proclamation to the resident of the tell them say, oh, the man, this same man, you know, who killed Charge Badness, you know, my man who killed his son, mother, you know, Romario's mother. And we'll tell you about that later. Because we have his file. As you know, over here, we're the biggest informer in America. We say it already and we say it again. Yeah, so, you know, those who, you know, want have to have your stream and everything. Now you look here, make sure you come on your ID so it looks after you come notified. As we tell you already anything, down here, you can just drive on where your school is and all of these things. I think you understand. So public threats like those made by Charger Badness contribute to a climate of fear and instability within the community. Such threats exacerbate existing tension and can lead to a cycle of violence that is hard to break. So intertwining cultural figures with criminal activities highlights the complex dynamics at play. Vybz Kartel's influence extends beyond music, making him a significant figure in the power struggle within the criminal underworld. The community is caught in the crossfire dealing with the repercussion of these power struggles. Effort to support and protect community members, especially those vulnerable to intimidation and violence, are crucial. So right now, so they were friends, so this is the man who issued the edict, and he tell them so they have to celebrate Vybz Kartel acquittal in their mind. So that's why I tell people, so when I've been telling people that people living in these communities, they are hostages. You can imagine in 2024, a guy houses a mile away. I can tell you in our community where you can play, what kind of music you can listen and what kind of music you can't listen. How is that? You can't play anything else except Vybz Kartel and his family because of your ego. So that's why I tell you, there's no sense when you come on to criminality. And I don't see how people defend criminals and support them. Because everything has a men baby, feelings. Because that's what it's all about, feelings. So you hurt me, boy, you're going to hurt you harder by kill somebody make you cry. That's what their ultimate goal is, to make people cry. So it's all about feelings. So these are some men babies. Vybz Kartel, so people have been saying, oh, look here, Vybz Kartel have more dopey on him than Check. That's how man about Charger Badness. That's all the argument in the underworld. So as we tell you, we love the cell phone. Yeah man, we love the cell phone, and cell phone make people our biggest informer. So even time these guys, them get bust in them crime thing, and them feel like, oh boy, so me feel like they're telling the dummies. It don't have nothing to do with nobody. I see them phone you don't have around. You could have changed number a little more. Remember the same number when you change it, you have to call back the numbers them that you used to call before. And even if everyone change them number, don't you know what thing when you're on GPS dummy? Yes, so it's going to show your address where you're at with the phone. So although you change the number, that's still not change. And if you have a thing, you understand what I'm saying? If you have a thing on your ear tag, you understand? Although you change the number, the same serial number for the phone is there. You change it, I same thing. Because once government are watching you, they're going to get you. And criminals cannot operate without the new technology. And that's why in America, Uncle Sam winning the war against crime. Send them to prison for a long time. Work them for little and nothing. And at this now man realize that boy, freedom sweet, but it's too late. Yeah, you understand? So I two things, in time you come from the by departure now, prison. We don't support crime, criminality, and all that. You understand? So the self-styled unelected mayor, yeah man, proclamation that Charger Badness demonstrate how criminal leaders can exert control over cultural expression within their territories. They probably prohibit, that means them ban, they don't support them, you're not getting a permission celebrating and playing Vybz Kartel music. Them say you can't play Vybz Kartel music until Kartel is dead. Oh, who gave him that power? And people them, these people become dance by default here a man in a gang, and based on the amount of killing with him do, that's how them get promotion in it. Based on the amount of killing, you see all the other day, I tell you, yeah, how much killing that they have done, that's how them get promoted and become the leader of the gang. Sometimes them see man say to see him done. And them can't wait for, just like how Bitty set up, just like how Muscle set up Bitty. Can't wait to become a done. And all of them things are just ego, feelings. I'm going to have to say, boy, I think I did done enough. How is that? But yet still, you know, them want that in the community, but they know the police is a boy, them and that. Or put them in the media. But that's a thing for them unofficial title outside in the community. Or them decide who to live and who to dead. That's how them operate, you know. Yeah, you understand? So the man say, boy, them can't play Vybz Kartel music. They prohibited celebrating or playing Vybz Kartel music until the death. So this is a deep-seated rivalry or an attempt to undermine Kartel's influence. All of these people were friends and then followed all because of feelings. Man say something that man I like it. I see him so like all of Virgin, two Virgin when me know. Although one of them say me for dead, you know. Yeah, a brother named Paul. Yeah, Paul and Life. Life never say me for dead or anything. I never hear that. But me say, Paul so much time me for dead. But yet see them say me for dead, you know. And me stay right and fine and save him life 2 times. Yeah, I leave that virgin used to go to things and know him and things. I said, boy, I shouldn't be because he want me for that. I tell him, you know, we're all about saving life. You understand what I'm saying? But me all get out time to them kill him. And the people that want to kill him, later on we find out that them same man. Even before then we find out that they want to kill me too. You understand? We're not involved in a freedom kind of lifestyle. Or just because I'm in the police and all kind of things. So you understand what I'm saying? So man want to kill me because me denounce criminality. And I don't support nobody to kill nobody. You're not man a friend and you follow. No. I don't believe that you to kill him for that. When I have disagreement, there's some way for you can discuss and like me and your best friend. Oh, me have a reach a point now, me and him fix. I call him now, Paul and Life fix. Him want to kill him, lock him as a boy life. And them two men used to like live like brother. And all of them things are just because communication, lacking of communication skill. Me and your friend, we must have disagreement. We have argued and them things, man. Yeah, boy, man might tell, boy, I don't know, man might tell, man, to go labba juice this, labba juice that. And see that as disrespect. So as men, you know, disrespect each other, you understand what I'm saying? But, you know, boy, you want to kill a friend. How can a friend that? Three animals argument and words exchange and man feeding and only for dead and that's another friend, man. You know, man, you understand what I'm saying? Because, yeah, you know, I know them things that I stand. So you have a friend of them things, you may have disagreement. I don't say you for dead. You know that? I mean, I promote some boy you for dead and everything. If I can see your life, some people say, boy, I'm naive, I'm naive. I can't protect myself, you know. But I look here, when my time comes, there's nothing I can do. I just saw it go. That's how the universe is. I can't tell you I can't tell you how many times I have looked in the barrel, I've gone them down, and I'm still here. At one point, a man still less than 6 feet and fire 4 shots. 4 shots at me, and none will catch me. Ask me all that. God himself. So I'm telling you something, I fear, man. There's a police get shot from far, my friend. 1 shot, a 38. And I'm dead. You understand? And a man still less than. I'm not even talking about other time. I'm involved with aside and less than a fraction of a second after that, a policeman get 5 shots which one just left in his chest. So that for sure is when God is here for you. You have to just trust God already. Some people say, boy, I know God never, but we believe in a higher and a supreme. I want to be with another guy who I say, when I try to find this guy, God exists. And a man I tell you, boy, I feel like sick, man. No, we are, you know, just like how you have used the phone or the computer or the TV to watch this right now. So like how you have a name for the computer, Apple, Samsung, Lenovo, this, that. I see you there, but the only thing that God must stand for you, you have to understand that. So, you know, yeah, so the mention of charge about this, and I check some Chalice and Colors betting on who will kill Vybz Kartel first introduce a morbid competition. So this reflects the dangerous nature of the world and underscore the lengths to which individuals in these circles might go to gain power or set scores. So them now, Vybz Kartel have so many people for worry about it. Vybz Kartel like first man in the history of Jamaica to come out of prison, you know, and if you have armed security, you know. Never happened before, you know. No man if you have armed security. That's the amount, that's how much this man's life is at risk. So, we don't know. Maybe I forgot to think, when Vybz Kartel, I forgot to know, instead of you spend out all that money on security, I think to set up a GoFundMe account, because I have people all over the world that love him, you know. Well, put money in him GoFundMe, you know. Well, yeah, put money in him for provide him security, because you have more people out there love Vybz Kartel more than we hate him. I should think, because if you look on the views, if you, well, all you say in all America, yeah, in the United States of America, in New York, Fox 5, you understand? So this man, that's a boy, the limousine ride, that's, you know, Bright Light, that High Thompson, you say name, Tommy Bright Light Thompson. And that team film this is, we'll tell you about that next year. Yeah, so they must say Tommy Bright Light Thompson. They must say, boy, in time they put Vybz Kartel in their funeral limousine, and was a disservice because them don't see it now. So, yeah, charge of badness. I said, boy, I show Tommy Bright Light and Vybz Kartel experience. The ride his loved ones will get when his coffin is at the front. Said charge of badness. So them even not predict how Vybz Kartel funeral will be. So you must say, boy, you might get this. You might get a forecast. You might get a forecast in the future how it's going to be. Because a funeral limousine they put in there. They're not putting in a regular limousine, right? You understand? For Vybz Kartel create hysteria. Man come from prison. Fanfare. Never said that yet. Cameras, this, that. I never said that. But no, I'm safer. No, I'm not safer because I have so many enemies. You understand? The only person said, Chuck, make him stay on him. I'm not busy with him on it because my brother with him, my Rasta brother with him, Sprague against him saying, I'm not busy with Vybz Kartel. Kartel upon him own and all of this. Him say Kartel have more problem than him can. So the statement by charge about this further highlights the volatile and dangerous environment within specific communities. When we live in these PNP criminal organization communities, I never live in a labor community, but apparently, as the people deliberate, people over about them are celebrating Vybz Kartel and playing music, and Vybz Kartel and PNP criminal organizations support. Majority of the artists in Jamaica, these are always PNP criminal organizations. If you notice, crime always salary. You understand? Mavada, PNP criminal organization support a film son in prison. Ninja Man, and you can't go on and them things. You understand? Yeah. So charge of badness, action and edicts are somewhat connected to Vybz Kartel's release. So this reference suggests that Kartel's release has triggered power struggle or a series of retaliatory action among criminals, factions. So you know, say the man them must say, boy, them say when them come, they might try to even take care of the security guard and gun. You understand? And them say the prevalence of firearms within these groups, pursuit of weapons by a rival faction exacerbate the cycle of violence and insecurity. So them same time them come, just like how Kartel did send man to kill Tad, Corey Tad. I see him here, them say him never feel comfortable, he could have security a little more. And security after a while them might get lapse and they will realize and know when it's vulnerable and time for them to attack. So him not out of the woods. Him can't enjoy if he even drive a Benz or drive round. That although him free, the man free, but the man the free. You understand? What kind of like that? So it going on, you understand? So you know, so Jamaica is criminals paradise. Two friends now become enemy. Charge of badness, that a check, and Vybz Kartel. Jamaica is a criminals paradise in the Caribbean Sea, and we know that. So the involvement of multiple figures, charge of badness, check, somehow chalice and colours indicate a coordinated effort to remove Vybz Kartel. And this suggests a significant threat and a unified war among these influential figures. So they must say, boy, the euphemistic phrase, send him to the departure now, clearly implies their intention to kill Vybz Kartel. Such language, while vile, is a stark reminder of the lethal nature of their plans. So So these figures, concerted efforts, highlight the organized nature of criminal activities in the region. Such coordination reflects a structured hierarchy and strategic planning within these groups. As a target of such a powerful coalition, Vybz Kartel faces a heightened risk to his life. This situation underscores the precarious existence of individuals involved in these criminal networks, where betrayal and violence are ever present threats. Plotting against a high-profile figure like Vybz Kartel can have widespread repercussions in the community, such as action that can lead to increased violent fear and instability, further undermining the area's social fabric. The man don't care now, they care about them feelings, and that's why they want to kill him. So the scenario emphasizes the severe and serious consequences of criminal rivalry and the extent to which these figures will go to eliminate perceived threats. The cultural and societal implications of such actions are profound. So they must say, boy, right now, although Vybz Kartel just come back from prison, so them start get them things them together and have them mend them, and they might try to get back. The thing is that now the people that will need have a foothold within a Gregor Park, and people are shift and them shift go charge the badges because Vybz Kartel was in prison then. We don't know what will happen because charge the badges down the money, our colours, I take care of it. We don't know our man are mine, man. 9 out of 10 times we can't tell any man. People we know send for people come to America and them see man end up kill them around. Just like what them do world from Hawaii. I tell you. Yeah. You have to learn from history, you know? Just like how Ian Smith killed Corey and Tanny from Liddyshire. So like how Collar send the charge badness. Don't be surprised if eventually charge badness kill him. So it's not a criminal, hey, there's no honor among thieves. I tell you that. So authorities face significant hurdles in combating these entrenched criminal elements, requiring sophisticated strategies and community cooperation. So what they have to do on anything, you don't know, say you have the East Orange police, them not really, and then you have the feds. Yeah, and the feds, say them anti-humanity, them anti-charge about this one last week. I feel people them say I threat to me to kill me, I don't know, I do attack and the people them want me to stop chat. You understand? Me an informer, yeah. Any police where an informer, you're a thief. Me an informer. That's why I become police. I just saw it. So targeting a cultural icon like Vybz Kartel highlight the intersection of crime and culture, where influential figures can become a pawn of our targets in broader power struggles. Community resilience efforts to address such issues must include empowering communities, providing alternatives to criminal involvement, and fostering resilience against the influence of these figures. So addressing these challenges required a comprehensive approach that includes law enforcement and community engagement to break the cycle of violence and criminal dominance. So look here, the only thing we can change all of this, and guess what now? Based on Vybz Kartel pass, you can't take the money and the murder because they must say, Vybz Kartel, hey, look what Vybz Kartel do. So that's why them money now, even if Vybz Kartel are trying to hand out an olive branch to these men, them still are kill him still because them know say if him get the chance to kill them, he might do it. Just like when him do Roach. Remember say him call Roach and prison and make them kill him. Him tell Roach, alright, we'll put all of everything aside and all of them things and we'll move on. And the man say alright, and the man do it in a good faith when Roach there. Him there 6 foot under. 6 feet 6 under the ground. So you can't trust him. See him thing him do with Chris Chin from VP to a wicked brother and them thing there. So although you see him go on and I play the victim now and them thing there. These men they know what him is all about. Him a snake and a devil in disguise. As we tell you already, just look for Vybz Kartel. The man like a bullfrog, I tell you that, that you want to believe it. Just look on it. And we're going to show, we are showing the real picture with him for sure. Say man a bullfrog when him come out of prison. And I like all the other people, them hide the video and them thing and I show the stuff like tap. Because them see him look like a frog, you know. But I tell you. You understand? And when I make another joke, I make hey, look here. The man like a bullfrog, so you know how we talk. Yeah, so you know we continue the journey. So addressing these challenges required a comprehensive approach that include, I will tell you about the law and all of them things. So look, at this channel, all we want to know, we just want back to Jamaica from these criminals who are, terrorize the communities then. Because, we stand with the law and for the rule of law. We don't support criminals of any form. From you are a criminal, that means you're a threat to the existence of our people. We don't want that. We want a community where people can feel free to move to and fro. So, Vybz Kartel, you know that him is a markman to that. There are so many people. But you have to remember saying that you are the one that caused all of these things on yourself because you have responsible for the death of so many people. Whilst you're in prison, you kill a roach, a lot of people, triple murder, Portmore. These people have nothing to do with it. So you have created all of these things and you understand. So we don't know. As the man them say, as these men bet and say who first is going to get you. We have no dog in this fight. You understand? And we can say, hey, what it man? All out all corrupt and criminal minded people. And you love for each other, not even for themselves. So this is where it's at now with Vybz Kartel. At 44 years old, yeah, man look like a bullfrog and he's surrounded now by enemies on the four corners of the earth. Anywhere you go, people want it. So no matter where you live, you have to have constant security. And guess what? By the time you're secure, you're going to be a security breach. And that's it. One way or the other. All of we going there to the departure of one day, but some will go before others. Have yourself a beautiful day. And Jamaica Young Police Channel out.